How to use normalized data for MQTT. Under the Reference Data menu, you will find 3 key features: normalized data, normalized alerts, and normalized error codes. In normalized data, keys are used by default to retrieve information. Click Use Code to change the data response format, customize keys as needed, and verify settings by subscribing to MQTT. You can also switch between encoding and custom keys directly in the MQTT interface. The Normalized Alerts section displays all alert codes. For alert data received via MQTT subscription, you can query detailed information using the alert category code. The Normalized Error Codes section displays all system-defined error codes for errors encountered during RESTful API usage. Consult this reference to view detailed descriptions.